With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the question says, in a seconds pendulum, mass of bob is 30 gram. If it is replaced by 90 gram mass, okay, then its time period will be, okay. So we have to find the time period of a bob if the mass of the bob is replaced from 30 gram to 90 gram. And in the question, it is given that it is a seconds pendulum, okay. So first of all, we should know what a seconds pendulum is, okay. So let's write it down. A seconds pendulum is a pendulum whose time period is precisely 2 seconds, okay, whose time period is precisely 2 seconds, okay. So if we know that the time period of a seconds pendulum is 2 seconds, we can easily solve this question, okay. Now as we know, the formula for time period is t is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root L by G. So as we can see, time period, as we can see from this formula, time period is independent of mass, okay. It does not depend on mass, okay. So it doesn't matter that the mass of the bob is 30 gram or 90 gram. Time period will always be equal to, for a seconds pendulum, will always be equal to 2 seconds, okay. So the time period will be equal to 2 seconds. The correct answer is option number B.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.